are going to be doing the Mecca Spa at Home set for the Black Friday sale. Okay, here we go. Beautiful packaging. It's a lovely box. Okay, and here's the contents. Here's the Brazilian Sol Janeiro, Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Dr. Dennis Gross Exfoliating Body Treatment. Okay, they look great. Alpha Beta. And Patchology Flashpatch Eye Gels. Illuminating Eye Gels. Patch Gels. This would be good. And Gisou hair oil. I love the packaging, the beautiful botanical drawings. Gisou, I think that's how it's pronounced. It's worth $100, but the contents is $146. So I think apparently this isn't even in the stores. This is quite exclusive, and yeah, I think they're all lovely little products. I like these eye gels. I haven't tried this before, but this is very popular. The pillow spray is always great. And a body treatment. Okay, I think it's a great pack. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and press the notifications. Okay, thank you. Bye.